how to make the image brighter inside DaVinci Resolve 16 when you already blurred out something. So if I select the clip and go to the color tab, okay, and here let's say I will use gamma. Notice if I increase or decrease gamma, it's not making the entire image brighter, but only that blurred out license plate. So how to fix this and make the image brighter, not the license plate? Let's just reset this gamma. Okay, right click here. By the way, we're on the nodes page, so click on nodes to enable them. Right click on empty area, add node, let's say corrector, and place it onto that line, let's say there to the beginning. And now with this one selected, not those, now you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness of the entire image and not just the license plate itself. By the way, these nodes are just like layers inside Photoshop.